student of standard 7th, and today we are going to start chapter number 4, that is Rajput age. So let me adjust my image first. Okay, done. So friends, we can see here in the 4.1 picture of a palace is given to you. Well, when I downloaded this content from the net, so image is not quite good, so I personally downloaded it. So here it is begin. Parimal is watching a historical serial in his TV, and he asked his grandfather that is this palace still exist? Friends, historical serials 100 ईयर से 2000 ईयर बैक तक भी हो सकता है. आजकल तो रामायण महाभारत भी चल रहा है. सो सच काइंड ऑफ पैलेस स्टिल एग्जिस्ट. सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन ऑफ द परिमल टू हिज ग्रैंडफादर, एंड ग्रैंडफादर रिप्लाई, लिसन परिमल, many of the palaces are still there. Many of the palaces are ruined, खंडर बन चुके हैं, but some of them are in good condition. Friends, as we can see, Taj Mahal took 20 to 22 years, and कोई भी अच्छी चीज़ अगर और वो आज तक टिका हुआ है, any good thing it required time, and in the earlier time transportation was the big issue. Okay, so let's move forward. And then his grandfather goes into room and he brings some collection, and he tell that I am going to show you some of my collection of the Rajput era. Friends, already we have seen in chapter number 1 Harshvardhan and Pulkesi 2. Okay, so let's move to the next slide. Okay, I'm sorry. In the 7th century, when the Harshvardhan and Pulkesi II died, their kingdom disintegrated and many new kingdoms were come. But majorly Rajput kings are dominating. You can see in the map 4.2, you can see some yellow part and some of the orange part. So the orange part was ruled by the Rajput kings. Okay friends, so I think this much things are clear to you. Let's move to the next slide. Did you know? Now this is something very interesting. You will see that how prosperous was the king at that time. You can see something is written about the king Raja Bhoj. Okay, I remember one song, Kahan Raja Bhoj, Kahan Gangu Teli. So we are talking about that Raja Bhoj, and in his early age he was suffering from the brain tumor. ब्रेन ट्यूमर मीन्स हमारे ब्रेन का कुछ पार्ट एबनॉर्मली फंक्शन करता है, या तो वो बहुत फूल जाएगा या उसमें कुछ ना कुछ आएगा, खराबी हो जाती है. सो इन द अर्लियर 10th century, मतलब मीन्स इट इज़ 1016 to 1053, एंड एट दैट टाइम हिज ब्रेन ट्यूमर वॉज ऑपरेटेड बाय द 2 brothers. They are called Ujjaini. Okay, and as we know that if we get if you want to get operated, we need to paralyze first. Okay, and we are going they are giving some medicine, I think anesthesia, and then they operate us. But friends, at that time such medicines was not there, so they were using some kind of medicine that is called Sammohini. In some of the mythological serial I had seen that Sammohini is something like this. They will showing you some ball and keep looking on it, and that person giving you whatever command, you will blindly follow it. It is just like a robot. A human being become a robot, and they do whatever you say. So using that Sammohini, and he's they open the skull means this part. Okay, and they remove the tumor also. Okay, and in the eastern side, means Bihar and Bengal side, Pala dynasty, Sen dynasty established. Okay, and many Rajput rulers, especially Chauhans, were ruling during the 7th and the 8th century. Friends, near the place of Sambar Lake, it is in there is one lake of Sambar Lake. It is in Rajasthan. So one of the king, Ajay Raj, okay, he ruled over there, and on his name the city Ajmer established. So you know Ajmer is the place, and why it gets its name Ajmer, well, the king was Ajaymeru. Okay. Now let's move forward to the next slide. So the Chauhan ruler were dominating. As I already told to you, and Tomar king were also ruling. So in the Chauhan dynasty, Prithviraj king was the one of the greatest king, and who ruled over there, uh, especially in the northern part nearby Delhi. Prithviraj Chauhan was a very powerful king. Friends, I have heard that Akshay Kumar is going to perform a role of Prithviraj Chauhan. So within a year, whenever the theatres are open, the movie will be shortly there. So you can see many things. We can know all such fact about Prithviraj Chauhan from the Prithviraj Raso. Okay, and Prithviraj Chauhan was the last king of the Hindu dynasty, means Chauhan dynasty. Then the Muhammad Shahabuddin Gauri attack on and Mughal were established. So we are not going deeply in that. And Gohils were ruling over the Mewar. 1 minute. So Sisodia Rajput community was very brave, and they have the unique position in the history. Well, Chedi dynasty also ruling over the place in Jabalpur in the south of the Narmada, and it is of course in the MP. And Chedi dynasty, Kalachuri was the capital of Tripura, present day Tewar. I don't know where is this place is. Better you Google it. And in the Gujarat, Rajput and the Chavdas were Solankis and Ahilwad Patan was the main kingdom, and that we are going to see in our second semester. This is the first semester. So second semester you will going to learn about the Chavdas, Solankis. Okay, and now friends, right now we cover the northern part of India and the central part of the India. Now we are going to tour the South India. And who was the king which we discussed in our first chapter? Well, it's Pulkesi II. And after Pulkesi II, Chalukya dynasty were have dominating. Then Pallavas, Cholas. Okay, Narsingh Verma is one of the strongest ruler at that time. So friends, and all the kings are very art lover people. And if you see the last two lines, Kailasnath temple of Kanchi is the best example of the Pallavas architecture. So friends, let me show you the image of the Kailasnath temple so you get better idea. Just a minute. Okay, done. So here you can see the picture of the Kailasnath temple. Friends, this is this temple was built 1000 years ago. Usually अगर हम कोई बिल्डिंग बनाते हैं, टेम्पल बनाते हैं, तो हम लोग बॉटम से ऊपर की तरफ जाते हैं. बट कैलाशनाथ टेम्पल में ऐसा कोई केस नहीं है. कैलाशनाथ टेम्पल में क्या है, ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ बनाया गया है. इट वॉज अ वन सिंगल स्टोन रॉक. उसको कट कर कर करके नीचे की तरफ जाते हैं. सो यू कैन इमेजिन लेवल ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर क्या होगा. एंड मैनी साइंटिस्ट हैज प्रूव डेट how they made such a temple and without any modern equipments. आजकल तो क्रेन्स हैं, बहुत सारे इंस्ट्रूमेंट हैं जिससे हम लोग बहुत ही इजीली किसी को स्टोन को कट कर सकते हैं. एंड that is also cutting in such a beautiful manner. Okay, so हम लोग अपनी स्लाइड्स पे वापस आ जाते हैं. Okay, so that was the Kailasnath temple. So 1 minute. Okay, so Kailasnath temple, you got it. Okay, so we were discussing South India and Kailasnath temple we are already discussed. So let's move ahead. Okay, apart from the South Indian dynasty, Chola dynasty of South, Tanjore was their capital. Friends, there are many kings and many kingdoms were there. Anyhow, but you have to remember those names. They attack on Ceylon. Ceylon means present day Sri Lanka. Okay, and they capture over there. Raj Raja I, again a very systematic and administer his state, is one of the greatest king. And apart from them, the Rashtrakutas, Chera, Pandya dynasty, they also ruled over the South India. So, and these are the kings of the southern part, and in the northern India, we can say Rajput kings were dominating. Okay, so here things to know. In the things to know, there are many of the kings' name is given. Uthapla dynasty ruled in Kashmir. Okay, Sambal, Harjar Varman, Vanmala Verma. Okay, so Kumrap Assam, Nagbhatta, Dev Raja, Mihir Bhoj, Mahendra Pala were the kings of the Patihara dynasty. Sayyar dynasty ruled over Gandhar. Gandhar it's a capital of Afghanistan. Okay, and Chandela ruled over Bundelkhand, somewhere in the central part of the India. And in the beginning, Tomar ruled over Dillak. Delhi is given. So earlier Delhi was known as a Dolak. And now we are moving to the next slides, and it is the second last slide. So Rashtrakutas and they all were ruled over the southern part of the India, and Rashtrakuta means head of the state. So you have to remember for this. And Govind III is one of the greatest king of 8th century, established kingdom in the Deccan. Friend, whenever you heard the name Deccan, means southern part of the India. It's lying near Karnataka, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Okay, Pandyas also ruled. And see, Megasthenes, a Greek traveler who come to in India, he also give note. He also mentioned in his notes about the some of the king. And according to him, Emperor Ashoka is one of the greatest king. And Madurai is a place he mentioned about the Madurai. So Chera also ruled over Kerala, and of course Malayalam language, and many things. Inscription of the Ashoka things are mentioned in the Malayalam language also. Okay, and in the last line Chera Setungan one, I am not going to, I am not able to pronounce it properly. Maybe I am wrong. Cheran Setungvan. Okay, so he is one of the king. So I know there are many names, many kingdoms, but anyhow you have to remember it. So friends, this is the last slide of our chapter. So things to know, it is given of the kings who belong to the southern part of the India. Chalukya ruled over the Vatapi, Badami. Rashtrakutas ruled over the Manya Kheta. Okay, Hosala ruled over the Dwar Samudra. Yadavas ruled Devgiri. Chola ruled Tanjore. Now friends, we are going to discuss a very important part of the chapter, that is pride of Rajput. Many of the Rajput were known for their bravery, for their statement. If any Rajput promise, that means he have to fulfill it. And Rajputs were very brave. They felt proud for their country. If there is a requirement to give their lives for their country, then they feel proud. Not only the Rajput males, females, Rajputanis also we can say. So they also help their husband, and whenever any king attack on them, so they also fight bravely. And when they see that there is no chance to survive, and so they do Johar. Well, Johar, you know it very well, that all the females, they jump in the fire. Okay, you can see in the picture, all the females were taking the bath of the fire. Means in the earlier time, दुश्मन के हाथ मरने से अच्छा है कि अपने आप को मार लो. So many Rajput females, they do the Johar. So this is the ending of our chapter, and here exercises is given to you, and project it is written, find out and write about one of the king of belonging to the earlier medieval period. Well, I will say Prithviraj Chauhan is can be the good idea. And now things to know is given to you, Ran Ki Vav. So it is 7-storied well. It is built for the water storage, and it is in Patan, Gujarat. and Vastupal and Tejpal. Well, all such things we are going to study in standard 10th. It is available over there. And your homework. So what homework I should give? Let me see. Okay. Well, you have to buy one map, and you just have to set this orange part. Okay. Hope so you like it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.